Hey y'all, hey, what's goody baby? It is Rita, it is Mizzy girl, and I'm back with another tutorial. And this is on my friend Markia, and this is birthday makeup edition. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video.
Girl, don't do him like that.
You heard her, cause he baby.
Girl, it's
He
him.
didn't want to tell me happy birthday.
It's him. He don't tell nobody happy birthday.
Oh no, Rachel want to tell me happy birthday either.
I just did happy birthday.
Nah, just playing.
Come on.
Thank you, Rachel. You should have had me a little plate. Had me a little plate here.
Hell no.
Y'all got some juice?
Damn, bitch. No, I ain't got no motherfucking juice. You want a drink?
Yes, give me my first drink.
Make you a drink.
Give me my first drink around
Bang. Bang. Mom's gonna make Markia a cocktail.
It's the cocktail for me.
Oh, client get a cocktail.
Not the client. People calling.
Oh, we had another time.
You thought it was later? Mm-hmm. No, it's not now for real. No, later than that. Should have said it for 10.
Oh, shit.
So of course I'm starting off with brows. I'm going in with my LA Colors pencil in the shade dark brown, and I'm just carving out her brows, y'all. She just talks so much.
It's a cocktail for me.
Drink up.
So when I'm doing brows, y'all, I never fully like press my pencil down and make the brows waxy. I just kind of do light strokes and brush and see where I need to fill in things at. Now I'm going in with concealer. I use my e.l.f. concealer. I'm pretty sure everything will be listed down below to do the arch of her brow, and then towards the front I went in with some foundation. Now I'm beginning to press that product in. Like I said, once you blend it in, everything should blend like seamlessly. It shouldn't be no dips, bips, and girl, what am I saying? But yeah, just keep blending until everything is like flawlessly blended. You don't want to see where nothing stop and start.
Oh.
Using a little bit of the leftover concealer, I'm just applying it to her lids because y'all already know I use that as my shadow base. Pressing that in as well, and then we're about to get in formation with these shadows.
But I got it packed.
The fuck you got a pack with? This bitch told me she got a pack. Get your pack looking ass on. Where the fuck is pack at?
It's back in the room, dead ass serious.
With all this shit, I bet it is packed. Well, you need to unpack that motherfucker.
What y'all drinking? Dark light?
But I'm drinking, I think this the Ray special.
She's drinking light.
I'm drinking light, boo. I'm taking me some
And
liquor
of course,
downstairs.
I'm back with another one with the James Charles palette by Morph. And I just went in with browns, of course. Literally, like, I love browns. She was wearing gold, so I really just wanted to keep her eye look simple. So I just started off with brown, and then you will see me go into a gold shadow and put that on her lid. Yeah, I promise when I first started doing makeup, this was my go-to look. Like, brown shadow and gold shadow, it's just, it did what it needed to do for me to be where I'm at today.
What is this?
Yes, you drinking that little drink, girl. I'm so proud of you.
Girl, it's my birthday house.
Now I am applying her foundation. So I use the shade Chestnut by the Milani 2-in-1 foundation. And I really loved how her makeup turned out. It's literally like one shade darker than the espresso. So I used that. I applied it all over her face. And I went in with my Instapop Real Techniques brush to blend everything out.
Your ass
Because
is
I don't
a joke. Shut up. Look, I'm gonna mute it out. You don't gotta worry about that. Look straight forward.
I'm on camera. I gotta call you back. It's my birthday.
Oh, God.
Bring me a drink to the party.
So I went in with deep chestnut and a little bit of deep olive, just so it could kind of like, you know, offer a little more brightness when she take photos for underneath the eye. Applied that underneath the eye, down the center of the nose, and on the forehead. Now I'm going to work with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. I absolutely adore this beauty sponge. Like, I don't care. But yeah, I'm going in with my beauty sponge and blending everything out. And then I will go back in with my Instapop brush, girl, with a little bit of the foundation. And I'm going to blend everything together.
It's my birthday house.
Oh, God.
I'm crying.
Girl, shut the fuck up.
This guy look a mess. I'm gonna put some makeup on this.
What's that?
From last weekend.
Oh, wait, from the razor blade?
Yeah. I'm gonna put fake tattoo.
Yeah, you can.
Why
Just don't get wet.
This is like the God like took his time with this.
No, literally, like, everybody is extra except for my baby.
That's because he's a Scorpio.
Yeah.
They not like us.
Yeah.
Like Libras is different.
Yeah.
Scorpios are freaky, so it's gonna be very freaky.
What?
He's gonna have the girls over.
That's fine.
And then they all to think they the shit. They think they all to themselves.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm about to set her under eye. Girl, she kept hitting that cup. I made her like 3 drinks. I'm going in with the same shade that I used to set my under eye because I feel like it's just like one of those translucent light shades on dark skin tones. It don't like take away or make it like too bright. So I went in, I believe I used 340, girl. I don't even know, but it will be listed down below. Got to put some black in that waterline. So I'm going in with a little bit of black. Oh, girl, what's going on with my tongue? I'm going in with a little bit of the black shadow, and I'm applying it under her eye. And I'm going to smoke it out just a little bit with some brown, just so it can be like nice and like smoky and sexy. So we have to set that entire face, and I went in with the Fit Me pressed powder in the shade 360, and I just got her nice and matte, girl. Got her nice and matte.
So you need
because the one thing she gonna do is keep her makeup on while she in the shower. Girl, do her hair and the whole nine, and I just need the face intact by the time we go to dinner chair.
You look just like your mama.
Girl, no, I said that earlier.
You look just like your
Girl, I'm not like that lady. That's a man.
Oh, my bitch hat is laid. Okay, so now I'm going in with a little bit of the blush. Y'all already know from my Saharan palette, girl. I use this blush on whoever, wherever. Bitch, if Strex sat in my chair, I would use this blush combo. Like, this is a universal blush combo.
You should have put all that makeup on. You look fucked up.
Not that I look fucked up. On my
Everything.
21st birthday.
Shit.
You see me popping with my makeup.
He know you popping.
Like I stated before, you got to add a little bit of highlight in that inner tear duct. Got to. And then I added a little bit to her nose, girl, and down the bridge. Make her look like Rudolph a little bit so they can see my bitch shining bright like a diamond on her birthday, period. Look at her feeling herself already, girl. So I didn't know if I wanted to add some black liner, but I ended up doing it. I didn't wing it though. I just did her like a cute little line just to add like a little bit more sultriness to it, girl. Because I really liked it. It kind of like, it was perfect. That's all I'm going to say. I ended up adding a liner, but I didn't do a wing. Now on to lips. I literally used the same lip combo that I used on Rachel in the last video. If you haven't checked that out, please do. I just used some brown concealer, and then I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me. Wait a minute, I'm lying. I went in with the Maybelline Superstay lip glosses, lipsticks, and put a clear gloss on the top. Rita, what is going on today? Like, what's going on? Yes, and now we are all done. Now I gotta set that face, honey. I used the MAC Fix Plus spray, and my girl is ready for her dinner, baby. She is bronzed matte down to the floor, okay? We love to see it. I love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all know I had to make my little appearance at the end, looking like somebody proud auntie, honey.